name, hidden deep in emerald rain. It carries whispers soft and slow from ancient roots that still will grow. Every leaf begins to sing, echoes born on silent wings. And go thidirna crane, kananshi go chuindom. Close your eyes and hear the sound where forgotten dreams are found. Nothing here is ever gone, every heart still carries on. The wind between the trees is calling like 1,000 stars are falling. Guide me where the old songs stay through the night into the day. East Leon, Mokroi, hear me, my heart. Forever I will follow thee. Silver branches gently sway, moonlight paints the forest gray. Every breath the valley keeps holds the secret spirit sleeps. Gentle rivers softly glide, ancient voices by my side. Fag mo krisa joil, foin gealach gal. No fear can reach this sacred place, only peace and endless grace. Every breeze becomes a prayer.